Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics, and also in the last class we have started new chapter indefinite integration or indefinite integrals. Okay, and 4 questions we have finished. This is second class. We will finish question number 5 to 8. Okay, see Eamcet 2019 question. Integral x cube plus 2x by x to the power of 4 plus 4 dx is equal to how much, like they are asking. You see, what I want to do, I want to split this in two forms. Say that is equal to I1 plus I2, provided I1 is equal to integral x cube by x to the power of 4 plus 4 dx. I2 is equal to integral 2x by x to the power of 4 plus 4 dx. Okay. Now one by one we will take and we will proceed further. Okay. See, first I am taking I1. I1 is equal to integral x cube dx by x to the power of 4 plus 4. Now I want to take x to the power of 4 plus 4 entire thing as t. Why? Because see, 4x cube dx will come. X cube dx is there. That hint you will get it. Okay. See, let t is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4. Then 4x cube dx is equal to dt. Okay. Then proceed further. That means you see this is equal to integral x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. 1 by 4 I am taking out dt divided by this entire thing is t. dt by t integral log t. 1 by 4 log modulus of t plus c. Okay. C you write afterwards, final also we will write C1. Or else you will write C1 and C2, afterwards you will write C. All are okay, that is not this much this thing. Okay. 1 by 4 log modulus of what is t, x to the power of 4 plus 4. Okay, plus c. Now one answer you have got. Another one actually I1 plus I2 you have to get. Then you go for this one, I2 also. Okay, let us proceed. I2 is equal to integral 2x dx by x to the power of 4 plus 4. Now don't take x to the power of 4 plus 4 entire thing as t. Now you take x square as t. Why? 2x dx has to come. X square is equal to t, 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay? Then how to change this? I am changing this. Integral 2x dx means dt divided by, you see, x square we have taken t. That means this is t square. That means 2 square plus t square. Now we know one formula. Integral dx by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, implies I am writing. Not exactly. Why? Because see, now here a is 2 and t is x. Okay. Now proceed further. Then 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse x means here t by a means again 2 plus c. Okay. But you, what we can say, write down t value also, that is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse t. T is how much? T is x square by 2. Okay, plus c. So final answer is I1 plus I2. Write down I is equal to I1 plus I2. That is equal to I1 is how much? I1 is 1 by 4 log of modulus x to the power of 4 plus 4 plus this one 1 by 2 tan inverse x square by 2 plus c. Okay, this is answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 6. This is Eamcet 2018 question. Observe carefully here. This is not a proper fraction. Why? Because here power is x to the power of 8, here x to the power of 4. That means see, we can divide this numerator. We will divide. Afterwards we will see what we will get and all. Okay? That we have to do. Afterwards only we can proceed further. See what I am doing now. X to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 3. X to the power of 8 minus 9x square plus 18 I am dividing. Okay, see, x to the power of 4 is there, x to the power of 8 is there, and no coefficient. Then simply you write x to the power of 4 only. Why? Because see, x to the power of 4, it x to the power of 4, x to the power of 8 will come. X to the power of 8 x to the power of 4 into minus 3. Minus 3 x to the power of 6 will come. Okay, but here x to the power of 6 is not there. Again plus 3 times of x to the power of 4 will come. Okay, see x to the power of, see we are making work subtraction, that means x to the power of 8 is going to get cancelled out. If it get cancelled out, x square before x square, x to the power of 6 is there. Okay, but minus is there, that means see, it will come like this, 3x to the power of 6 minus of minus. Again you see before x square, x to the power of 4 is there, but outside minus is there, minus 3 x to the power of 4. Then you bring this one minus 9x to x square. Understand? Okay. Now see 3x to the power of 6 has to come, but here x to the power of 4 is there. Then what you have to do? First you write plus 3. Why? Because this is plus. See 4 and 6. Then you make x square. Okay? X square. If you make x square, see 3 into 1, 3, x to the power of 4 into x square, x to the power of 6. First term is okay. Now you see minus and plus, minus 3 into 3, 9, x square into x square, x to the power of 4. Plus into plus, plus 3 into 3, 9, x square. Okay? Now again subtraction. These are going to get cancelled out. Okay? Now you see, now x to the power of 4 is there, x to the power of 4 is there, but this is minus or minus plus. 9x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 4, 6x to the power of 4. Understand? 6x to the power of 4. Now square is also, you see, this is becoming minus 9x to the power of 6, 9x square, minus, 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 plus, minus of minus, 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 18x square. Okay? Over, no, why? Because the 9x square only have taken, plus 18 also is there, you take plus 18 also. This may be last attempt. Okay, you see, 6x to the power of 4 is there, but only x to the power of 4 is there, you add only plus 6, that's all. 6 into x to the power of 4, 6x to the power of 4, 6 into minus 3, minus 18 x square, 6 into 3 plus 18, 0, both are same. That means, see, this you have to take for integration. Okay, let us take the integration. Integral x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 6 dx is equal to x to the power of 5 by 5. 3 into x cube by 3. 6x plus c. That means final answer is x to the power of 5 by 5 plus x cube plus 6x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 7, little bit typical question this is. Observe carefully how to tackle this question. If g of t plus 1 by 2t plus 1 is equal to t plus 1, then what is the integral g of x dx is equal to how much, like they are asking. You see here, we have to proceed some other way. See, anyway, finally g of x means we have to take this as entire thing as x. We know very well. Then you take this as x. X is equal to t plus 1 by 2t plus 1. Okay? Observe carefully what I am doing. I am sending this side, you see. 2tx plus x is equal to t plus 1. Okay? And you send t this side and x that side. 2tx minus t is equal to 1 minus x. Okay? Then you take common of this t. Because t you take common. Why? Because t value you know, you want to know. That means you see t, if I take common, 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x. Is it okay? First you see 2tx minus t, 2tx minus t. Okay? Then you find the value of t. 1 minus x by 2x minus 1. Okay? Now you see, this is the value of t. G of x, that means this we have taken as x, entire thing. G of x is equal to t plus 1, write down again. g of x is equal to t plus 1, that is equal to t value is how much? This one. 1 minus x by 2x minus 1 plus 1. Okay? Now you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, g of x is how much it is going to come? 1 minus x, okay, plus 2x minus 1, okay, divided by 2x minus 1 into 1, 2x minus 1. Okay, see, plus 1 minus 1, 2x minus x is x. X by 2x minus 1 will come. Now wait. Why? Because see, like this if you do, then integration we are unable to do. What I am doing, observe carefully. Little bit tricky you have to make. See, 1 by 2 into 2x by 2x minus 1. Shall I make like this, you see? Earlier x is there. See, 2 going to get cancelled out. Is it okay? Okay. Now, again I am making like this, you see. 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2x minus 1. Is it okay? See, 1 by 2 out separated. See, now 2x has to come. Denominator anyway 2x minus 1 is there. Numerator 2x has to come. It will come, you see. 2x minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 going to get cancelled. 2x will be there numerator. Okay. Now, this we can do easily integration. Okay. Let us proceed then. Integral g of x dx is equivalent to 1 by 2 integral 1 plus 1 by 2x minus 1 dx. 1 by 2 keep outside only. Integral 1 means x will come plus 1 by 2x minus 1 log of modulus of 2x minus 1 will come. Over, no, why? Because here multiplication is there, x 2, that means you divide 2. That means see 1 by 2. Okay, then close and put c. Now this 1 by 2 you send inside. If you send inside, finally what will happen? X by 2 plus 1 by 4 log of modulus 2x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is final answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 8, little bit bigger question it is. If not enough, we will rub and do second time. Eamcet 2019 question. See, integral sine inverse of square root of x by a plus x is equal to dx is equal to how much, like they are asking. You see, I am putting some comma. Okay, see what I want to take. I want to take x as a tan theta. Not a tan theta, we will take x is equal to a tan square theta. X is equal to a tan square theta. Why? Because under root is there, then we will remove root also. Square is there, means we can remove. If x is equal to a tan square theta, here dx also you have to find, because dx is there, and also what is theta, that also you have to find. First I am finding theta, afterwards I will find d theta. Okay, see, x by a will come, root will come. Shall I write tan theta is equal to x by a under root x by a tan square theta, tan theta square root of x by a. Okay, and theta will be tan inverse of x by a, but this will be under root. Okay, now theta value you have got. Now come back again here. See, this is the case of x to theta conversion. But what about dx? You have to do this one. You see, dx is equal to a tan square theta, 2 tan theta, that means 2a tan theta, again d by dt tan theta, secant square theta d theta. That means dx should be replaced with this much of bigger. Okay, but wait, why? Because see, before applying integration, I am doing something, you see. What I want to do, comma I am keeping, you see, x by a plus x under root is equal to, you see, a tan square theta by a plus x means again a tan square theta under root. You see, a shall I cancel? Then this is going to become tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, but under root. Okay. Then what is it is going to become? That is equal to tan square theta by secant square theta under root. Now both are in squares. Square root you can remove. That means see tan theta by secant theta. Again you can do that is equal to tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta means 1 by cos theta. That is equal to sin theta. Now this sin inverse of sin theta comes means immediately you can make this as sin inverse of sin going to get cancelled out. That means you see comma I am keeping integral sin inverse of sin theta and dx. Dx only I am writing because dx is little bit bigger. I will write here. Now you cancel these two sin inverse of sin. Okay, you see what I am writing here. Integral theta dx. Dx means this much you have to write fully. 2a tan theta secant square theta d theta. Now this 2a you take out. 2a integral theta tan theta secant square theta d theta. You see now what I want to do, I will take this as u and this as v. Integral uv d theta. I am writing one formula, you see. Integral uv dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u, again integral v dx but whole dx. This is the formula. Okay. According to formula we will write that one. Okay, see 2a is common. Okay, now see 2a I have taken common. Okay, u means here theta. Okay, integral v dx tan theta secant square theta d theta minus integral d by d theta of u, integral again tan theta secant square theta d theta but again whole d theta. Okay, see 2a is for there up to here, don't forget 2a is for completed. Okay, now see I will find this only tan square theta. See what I am writing, implies I am keeping, why fully I am not taking, only I am taking this one. Okay, see integral tan theta secant square theta d theta is equal to, or implies I am keeping, I am taking tan theta as t. T is equal to tan theta comma differentiation if you do dt is equal to secant square theta d theta. Okay, theta if you take tan theta, sorry t if you take tan theta, dt is equal to secant square theta d theta. You see secant square theta d theta is there, tan theta is there. Then how can I write? I can write like this, you see. Integral, in place of tan theta you put t, in place of secant square theta d theta dt. That means this value is going to become t square by 2. Then what is t square? T square means again tan square theta by 2. Okay, now we will stop. Pass and note down. Why? Because see, I want to rub up to blue color. Okay, up to blue color. Why? Because see, this we have to do. Already come up to here. I think little bit extra also I will do there. Yes. See, comma I am keeping. You see, this tan square theta d theta you have to substitute here and here. Let us proceed. Implies I am keeping, you see, 2a theta into, see this has become, already integration we have done, tan square theta by 2 will come. Tan square theta by 2. Okay, this one minus, okay. See d theta by d theta 1 only. That means see this value directly will multiply with 1. That means see again I am writing integral. This value is how much? This value is again tan square theta by 2. Tan square theta by 2. Outside d theta is there. Okay, then you close. Okay, now pass and note down up to blue color I am removing. Okay, let us proceed. Okay. Come back here. I think we have removed something. Why? Because the theta is how much like we have written. Okay, finally I will see by notebook and I will write that one. Okay, I would have written here. Okay, now proceed further. You see, again this we have to do. Tan square theta. We can do what? Tan square theta we can convert in secant square theta minus 1. Right now, you see, shall I send 2a inside? Why? Because 2 going to get cancelled. You see, 2 going to get cancelled out. Only a will be there. A if you send inside, what will happen here? A theta tan square theta. A theta into tan square theta. Now don't know denominator. Okay, minus. Okay, this a will go here also. A integral. Wait. Denominator is not there, but tan square theta d theta. How can we convert? Secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 into d theta, that is equal to, this is a theta tan square theta, okay, minus a times c integral secant square theta tan theta minus integral 1 d theta means theta. Okay, plus c. Now you apply plus c. Why? Because the final integration is over. Okay. Now proceed further. You send a inside also. That means a theta tan square theta minus a tan theta minus of minus plus a theta plus c. Okay. Now see, we know tan theta, tan square theta also we know, and theta also we know. Okay. That by seeing book I am going to write. Why? Because now conclusion has come. A theta you can take common. Right? A theta if you take common, tan square theta plus 1. A theta tan square theta plus a theta. Okay, why you tan square theta plus 1, again you can write secant square theta minus a tan theta plus c. Okay. Shall I write a tan square theta plus 1 as secant square theta? No, don't write. Why? Because the tan square theta only we have converted. That we can write easily. Or else we are going to do mistake. Okay. A into theta value and tan square theta value I am going to write. Okay, what we have taken? We have taken x is equal to a tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta is equal to x by a. Tan square theta is equal to x by a. That means I am writing x by a plus 1. This one. Okay, and tan square theta is equal to x by a. Tan theta is equal to root of x by a, and theta is equal to tan inverse root of x by a. Tan inverse root of x by a. Okay, theta. A theta over. Now see, tan inverse theta means what we have written? X by a. X by a plus 1 minus a tan theta. Tan theta only root of x by a. Plus c. Okay, still we can do. Why? Because the root x will go, and this we remove, and you put entire this ax as a root x. Okay. This is final answer. Okay. Now what we do? We will stop this class and we will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.